Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if the Microsoft Store is missing the install option in Windows computer guys. Let's fix that issue. For that, go to search menu and type services. Click on open it. So you just need to find Microsoft Store install service guys. Microsoft Store install service. So if you can't able to find Microsoft Store service guys, then locate Windows Store start service. Both are same guys. You just want to double click on the Microsoft Store install service and set if the service status is stopped, you just want to start it and set startup type to manual and apply and OK. So if the service is already started, you just want to right click on it and select restart. If already started, you just want to restart it, and after restarting, close out of here. So if this solution doesn't work for you, let's move on to the next solution. For that, go to search menu and type ws reset. Opens up run command, click on it, wait for it, and hopefully this can able to resolve your problem guys. But this also doesn't resolve your problem, go ahead and restart your PC guys. Hopefully your problem will be resolved. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.